grabe.
Hi guys! Ngayon, si Beshi na si Cyril. Kilala niyo
Hi!
sa part 2 at 3.
Hala ka. Yung part 1,
Wow!
2 at 3.
Oo, may mga... Hindi
So, ito ang part 4. So, panoodin nyo na yung part 1 to 3. Yeah. Like, nasa gaming chair ako.
gaming chair ko.
Yeah. Like,
So, ito guys, mga ginawa ko. Gawa ka ng... Ito. Naalala niyo to sa...
nung part 1 at
Part 2.
part 1, part 2 at 3, gumawa kami ng
Sanrio.
ng Sanrio na ganito. Bye-bye! Yung kagaya na ganito. Zoe, ka na baro!
So, today...
So, for today, ha ha ha.
So, for today...
Close mo na yung door! Mag-filming kami!
Gusto mo mag-alak?
Oo. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi ko na narinig sa nabi.
So guys, ngayon, Halloween or Christmas na tayo.
sa Christmas na tayo kasi di ba hindi mo pa ito nagagawa? Hindi niya pa rin ito nagagawa yung
Kaya lang nawala yun sa Christmas, sa Halloween.
yung
pumpkin.
yung iba doon. Ito pa oh.
Alak?
Ito yung
Gusto mo
yung Christmas. So, ito yung Christmas.
So far, so far. So guys, dahil nawala yung isa, mag-off screen. So, magagawa na kami. So, we're gonna make another, but it's event. So cute.
Can I borrow?
Yeah. Mag-English tayo. Di nga nila alam.
Ayun nga, no. So, hi guys! So, for today's episode, I'm going to wear this, like, blah, 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 blah.
While ako, magagawa ako.
Turn that off! Turn the fan off!
Hindi, para kay Basti lang yan.
Slay!
Ako na mawala dito.
Bye-bye guys.
Babalik lang ako.
Babalik lang daw siya. She's coming back. She's coming back.
Manahimik ka nga?
Di mo alam kung bakit.
Nagpipilming kami! Hindi ka marunong manahimik? Ha? Hindi ka marunong manahimik?
Nang to-torture yung isa. Zoe, tawagin mo lang daw si Tita Lina. Hindi nang gugulo siya.
Ikaw nagagulo ka na! Saka mag-English ka sa hindi nga nila naiintindihan.
Actually, nang to-torture yung isa doon. Si Zoe nang to-torture sa kapatid niya si Basti. Di ko alam bakit Basti yung pangalan. Yeah. I don't know why the name is Basti though. So, Zoe told her
Okay,
mother.
so guys, napatahimik ko siya.
Yeah. At least sabi ko sa kanila na tinorture mo siya. Yeah. Tinorture mo. Ano?
Mag-English ka nga.
Ikaw din nga eh. Ay, don't turn off the light.
Tamo, mamamatay tao na ako. Ano ka ba? Galing! Hindi ka marunong manahimik.
Sorry lang ah. Basta gusto mo makita yung mukha mo dito? Gusto mo ipakita ko yung mukha mo sa YouTube? Ha? Gusto mo? Ha? want to show his face on YouTube. I'm taking these off because I'm going to make something. We're gonna have this Christmas.
Yung mama sa'yo. So guys, nandito na ako. Pinatulog ko na naman siya. Sana hindi magising. Sana lang hindi magising. Ay.
Sarado mo.
Sinalata ko na.
Ilak mo!
Bilak ko. Eh, what if mag-iyak? Eh, di magulang din tayo. So, sorry guys. So, I put Basti to sleep, so I hope he doesn't wake up again.
Yeah. She put the basket to sleep.
I kinda know what I'm doing.
Zoe, pwede ba ano yun? So, hi guys. This is the sleigh time. Kung nakompleto na namin yung isang song.
English nga.
Yeah. We're going to be sleigh if we already completed the other 5. Because we already completed the 5. Is this unreal? May alam ako, Zoe. Saan yung pad paper? Saan si pad paper? I need one para sa packaging. Diba?
Oh!
Bibili na. May bibili na pa.
Goodbye, Sanrio.
Goodbye, Sanrio.
I missed the Sanrio already. Oh no, mali.
Paano ba to? How to do this?
Kumagalala. Nice. One more bond paper. I mean pad paper. I know what I'm doing.
Bruh. Like yung parang ganon. Agay ko. Agay.
The English. Kasi hindi na siya yung youngest.
Yeah. Mamaya na lang, I think we're going to pack this soon when
Yeah.
somebody already ordered.
Yeah. So please tell in your GC. Who wants a free? Who wants?
This is for 10 pesos per 5. I mean, yeah. 10 pesos per 5 of them.
So if you want to buy, go to our Philippines and go to Philippines.
Yeah, if you wanted to buy, go to Philippines.
And if you come here if you're younger than us, like you're 1 year old, and you come here at the Philippines at 28, then we would already be dead.
Yeah. Because, no, you're not dead.
Just
We're
kidding.
31 that time. We're 31 because we're only 9 years old.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
We're gonna be 31 that time. And we're still business-minded, but when we're 31, maybe we don't know each other anymore. These are the fun
Yeah,
things.
because I'm business-minded, I love baking. So that's why I chose to be a baker.
And I wanted to be a teacher.
Girl, this is already dry. Hey, you already know the drill. This. Stop putting sauce in.
Bro, I'm not even sus. Bro.
Stop.
Di nila alam yan kung pa. They don't know how we did the zooming. Yeah. They don't know how we zoomed it.
It's already 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Saan yung bag ko sa ulahan?
And,
Saan?
tignan mo sa mga unan.
Meron akong secret.
Ano? Wait lang daw. Wait guys.